Hi, to back up your Google Pixel Watch free, firstly we need to make sure that watch is connected to Wi-Fi. So let's swipe down for quick settings and choose settings. Here we need to pick connectivity, go in Wi-Fi and make sure that you can see that you are connected to this network. So in my case everything is just fine. And now go back in main settings. From here, scroll down to find desktop system and then scroll down again and choose backup. So basically, your watch will automatically back up once it connected to Wi-Fi and also connected to a charger. So as you can see, we can find this information here. And to do backup, you need to enable backup by Google One. Then take your charger, let me take mine, and simply connect it to your watch. And after that, it will back up. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.